Oh, g'day. I'm Trevor. See, you found my fishing spot. Wasn't that much of a secret after all. Look, get you. All the way to the bottom. Queenie. Queenie, they're a good fighter. Oh yeah. One queen fish. Eh? Oh, that's me. Little queen fish. Quick measure. 450. And we'll let him go. And off he goes, straight under the boat. And on the other rod, little bream. Nice little bream. You don't want to take a feed home today? At all?
When you get a bream that legal and it's not much bigger than that.
Yeah.
By the time you get the little fillet off.
The fillet off it, yeah, it's not worth it. You have to cook them whole. Yeah. The only way to do it is to bake them whole. Yeah, he's just on legal. Off you go, little fella.
It's taken that many years to get to his...
Yeah, 25 years to get to that. And you don't want to be killing the poor little bugger. And Mick's on. Do her up. Do her up. Don't let her into the weeds. You've got 80 pounds, so do her right up. All the way. That's a big one, whatever you got on there, Mick. You got much line left? Let her run, then pull her in. Oh, you're joking. That was 80-pound line snelled onto a hook. That 80-pound line has been bitten. Yeah. That's why you didn't get him. Okay, he's probably not, but he could have been. Getting 10-pounder out. Did I get him? He's having a good go. You're on?
Yep.
And Mick's on.
A reasonable fish.
A reasonable fish, as opposed to an unreasonable fish.
Well, I just what it was.
Ah, nice little cod. Bloody beautiful. There you go, young fella.
Mighty little cod.
That is a nice little cod. Glad we moved spots now. Yeah, he's a 31. Just on, yeah, 31. He's nice. Yeah, another 7 centimetres you could have eaten him. Yeah. Nice.
Okay. Back you go.
Oh, there he goes. Salted mullet. 10-pound line. Little brim. Also got live herring out. They seem to like the mullet more than the herring, even though they're liveys. Crab. And we've got a crab on. We'll just have a look at it. Oh no, there he goes.
Got the herring.
He got the herring and off he goes. And feels like another little brim.
Again. Yep.
Another tiny little brim. They're getting smaller.
Getting smaller. You need them to get bigger.
Unsalted mullet. And Mick's on.
Possibly another cod.
What do you got, herring on it? And another cod.
Thank you, sir.
Wonderful. Beautiful little cods. Well, the plural of cod would be cod, wouldn't it? Yes. It's two.
There you go.
You got on? Yeah.
Get a bit bigger. Slowly.
Slowly getting there.
Bite funny too.
Wonderful. Another nice little cod. Yeah. Twice that size, he would have been yummy.
He would have been. Off he goes.
And off they go. Oh, stop. Feels like a brim. Another little tagger.
Brim, brim,
Yeah.
brim, brim.
Let go. Grow big. And a little cod.
There you go one.
I'm getting the little ones. Why am I getting the little ones?
My turn to get the big ones.
And he's a tiny, can't get much smaller than that, can you? Ah.
I think you've got one on the other one, have you?
And looks like we're on this one.
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, a little bit. I'd say it's a codley. I'm just going to meet you up here. How you going? Having a good day?
Yes.
That's good.
I'm catching fish today.
That's good to see. Otherwise people will think I'm be editing them out. But I haven't been.
Oh, that's a nice.
Oh, that's a nice cod.
We're doing the old alligator crocodile well. That is a nice cod. Very nice.
And he is, close your mouth fella, he is 37, 37 just under, but that's still a beautiful cod.
It is, it's a nice
Yeah,
cod.
that's a nice cod. Beautiful eyes.
And away he goes.
And off he goes. And what are we on? 10-pound line. Could have sold his mullet again. There's like a cod this time. Oh no, she's a brim. Another little brim. Just seem to be going for the little brim today. Tiny brim. Look, humpback. He's had a hunk taken out of him at some time. If you like what you see, please subscribe, click the bell for notifications and share if you like. You have a good day.